in the next 2 years or 3 years, 30% of the jobs globally would be lost because of AI. And then there is another company which says it would not happen. On AI, which is today a very common topic of discussion. So you have varied reports, perhaps naming the companies would be wrong. There is one very large company which says that in the next 2 years or 3 years, 30% of the jobs globally would be lost because of AI. And then there is another company which says it would not happen. So I'm actually on this side of the spectrum wherein I don't believe it's going to happen. In fact, I believe that it's going to create more jobs. What's really going to happen is the lifestyle being enjoyed by an average human is going to become better. Kulmani would only work for 4 hours, earn more money, do more good, and do more sharper work vis-a-vis if he had to do without AI. So what AI is doing is, it's going to, in the larger cycle of things, it's a catalyst to achieving a superior lifestyle, which many people call balancing. Many of the people would find the time and not look at that I have to tick this. Like I look at today at 55 that I have to have a tick of this bucket list, have a tick of this bucket list. This I didn't do, this I didn't do. For this I didn't get time. I was busy. So I dropped out of a management school in my early days from FMS because I was working also alongside and I could not do justice. But if in today's word I'm sitting out here, I could have done that justice very, very well. I could have basically been able to use many tools to my aid and be able to do both the things together. So as we go forward, this is what I believe is going to happen. One, people would be able to address that multi-skilling with reasonable amount of ease. And the other this thing is that they will necessarily end up having a better life, which is more balanced. They will have certain sporting activities every day. They will basically spend time with their families every day. They will perhaps go more out on a social side vis-a-vis what, because the machines are going to do a lot of work for you, which is that inane work for which solution is there now. So it's going to improve the lifestyle for the mankind at large, not going to destroy jobs. The mankind would be able to, because you're looking at a better lifestyle, so you would be, saving is good, but you will end up investing a lot of money on yourself that you earn because your future is reasonably secured as you go forward. So that security is going to build up further. So you can basically take the example of your forefathers. They did not have the security that you have today. Similarly, your kids have a better security. As the security goes on growing, so you end up plowing back that capital that you're earning back into the economy, and that really works wonders. Now, that's going to happen even at a more serious pace, wherein people are going to improve their lifestyle. They're going to have better, superior vacations, create memories, be there with their families, be with the people they love, and be able to use the machine as a catalyst to do that work, which otherwise, perhaps some of it is being done today. In the earlier days, it used to be done. You can take the example, I started working on Lotus 123. At that time, there was nothing called Excel. So I had to start working on spreadsheets, which was Lotus 123. So at that point of time, when I started doing it, I could see 80% of the people who were working with on Lotus 123 usually had a calculator on the side, and they used to see that whether this is doing the right thing or not. Point number one. That has eroded. Second is the so-called pseudo CEO, which was termed as a munshi in India, doesn't exist anymore. That profile doesn't exist anymore. That profile perhaps has become the CEOs. Those are the CEOs. That munshi has become transformed to CEO because you have an Excel. You had a Lotus 123 from which you began. Then you went on to Excel, and then you went on to Visual Basic programming in that Excel, and you were able to do a lot of things. And that munshi transformed to a CEO, had a better lifestyle, had a better time to spend with his family, made far more money than the munshi. And there's no difference. Munshi was the CEO in the earlier days, wherein the owner used to sit on that space and then had a munshi who was a pseudo CEO. He never used the word CEO, called him a munshi. That munshi actually ended up becoming a CEO. And that CEO is able to have a much better life. Now, what AI is going to do is, you think about it, that it is going to make the average Joe as a CEO, and he's going to have those similar lifestyles or better aids to basically have a superior life, and he'll spend more money also back into the economy because he has a higher security. So overall, AI is going to improve the lives That's my very personal take. I don't believe it's going to take out jobs.